In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply drop shadow to image in Wix. To get started, first log into your Wix account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the Setup tab. Near the top right area of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page that takes you directly into the Wix site editor, where you can make design changes to your website in real time. When the editor finishes loading, locate the image you want to add a drop shadow to. You can scroll through your page or use the page navigation on the left to find it. Click on the image once to select it. As soon as you do, a small floating toolbar will appear close to the image. On this toolbar, look for the design icon, which looks like a small paintbrush. Click that icon. A pop-up panel will appear with design options for your image. At the bottom of this pop-up, you'll see an option called Customize Design. Click Customize Design, and the pop-up will refresh to show more detailed controls. At the top of this refreshed pop-up, make sure you've selected the frame for the image. This ensures you're editing the visual container around the image and not some other element. Also check that you're on the regular tab, so you're adjusting the normal state of the image, not hover or click effects. Now, look at the left-hand side of the pop-up for the shadow icon. Click the shadow icon to open the shadow settings. First, enable the Apply Shadow option. As soon as you toggle this on, you'll see a basic shadow appear around your image on the canvas. From here, you can fine-tune the look. Adjust the shadow angle to control the direction the shadow falls from the image. You can use the circular slider for a more visual approach, or type a specific value if you want precision. Then, tweak the distance to decide how far the shadow sits from the image, and adjust the size and blur to make it softer, sharper, larger, or smaller. Use the opacity setting to control how strong or subtle the shadow appears, and choose a color that fits your site's design. Each of these settings has a slider and a value field, so you can experiment and refine until the shadow looks exactly the way you want. Once you're happy with it, you're done. Your image now has a drop shadow in Wix.